Hey friends, and welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writer's Atelier channel, where I, Oliver, am going to give us all a pep talk in a 60-second video. So my mom says that sometimes all you need to stay motivated is, hang on, I got an itch. Okay, oh yeah, that's the stuff. Okay. All you need to stay motivated is, sometimes you need a little boost of happiness. So to give you that happiness, it's me, the Oliver. Look upon my cute face. Know that you can do this. Would this face lie to you? It would not. You can write this story. It might be hard sometimes, but all you have to do is keep going, even when it's hard, even when you don't think that you can. Keep writing, keep doing your best, keep showing up. And that's all for this week. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. And, hey Oliver, are you vlogging right now? Okay, I gotta go. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!